Would you vote for the business tax credit for businesses for school choice, for education?
No.
I wrote it.
Yes. Okay.
But you know, sometimes it can't just be a yes or no answer. I'm not a big believer across the board of passing a tax and then giving people a way of getting out of the tax. Either don't pass the tax or have people pay it. It's a good cause, it's a good thing, but why do you pass a tax and then show people how to get out of it? It's just like that jobs bill up in North Conway, up in the North Country, which was wrought with fraud. You pass a tax, and then you give it people to get a tax credit if they create jobs, and they all played with the system. Either tax us or don't.
We can, I can further expand on that when it's policy
Okay,
questions.
that's fine.
I'd love to expand on that, too.
Do you all want to expand on this? We have time.
Actually, I'd love to. The reason why we create that is because it's a job creator. We recognize, Republicans in the Finance Committee and House Ways and Means recognize that there are provisions in that promote jobs and businesses that create jobs. What we do in New Hampshire is we tell people not to come here for jobs by taxing startup businesses. We need to create those exceptions to get those jobs here. You have to look into the details of these bills because they're relatively complex. And how could you expect someone to just walk into the Senate and understand all these things? It's taken us years, as you know, how difficult these things are. And again, they've produced some very good results in the North Country, as representatives have seen.
Well, and Frank, you know, complex or not, I read the report by the Department of Revenue Administration, $180,000 worth of tax credits that should have gone to the individuals that applied for them.
And you also saw the 2,500 jobs they created as well.
$180,000 of misplaced tax credits. Misplaced tax credits, that's real money.
I think you're thinking about the film credit.
I'm not
the wrong
confusing.
bill. That's the film credit.
Okay.
No. Apparently it is very complex, Frank.
There's nothing easy about taxes, except that we have too many. Regina?
Can you repeat the question?
I don't even know what we kind of went off on a tangent. I'm trying to figure out.
Business.
It was talking
about
about
the
the
credit,
business tax for voucher education.
Yeah, I need
vouchers.
credit. I'll give you the bill.
Okay. School voucher. As far as I'm concerned, yes. I mean, I believe in that school voucher program. Primarily, what they're doing is they're allowing businesses to donate before taxes into a fund where underprivileged children or their families can apply for scholarships to different schools. So in my opinion, or in my belief, it is no different than someone donating money to a charity. They get a tax deduction for that. So as far as I'm concerned, I equate it with that. So I fully supported and voted for the business tax credit.
Thank you.